Here's the deal. Checkout time is at 12, and the ferry is at 10 o'clock tonight. You know, the good news is I'm gonna have much less to pack on the way home because I keep destroying things or losing things. Yeah. So it almost makes sense to leave my things here and then just ride around all day. So, I don't know. This is a very stripped down, raw portion of the trip. And that's enough said. It's good, but you know, I'm raw. Let's bring the skateboard. I've got a day bag, and let's boogie. That's the harbor port where I stayed. Let me tell you about this entire island. This experience was very raw. The places I went, the things that you saw, they don't happen by themselves. It means at any given time, I'm climbing down here, everything is broken. I'm a little broken. The iPhone, the glass, just things have been casualties. But it is probably the most genuine, authentic Greek island I've ever been to. These lips really can't take any more sun, but we're gonna go in here and see if there's something lined up. Hello, hello, hello. What do you have for sunburned lips? So here's the deal. I went into the pharmacy, and she had a look of not even wanting to help me. You know what I mean? And I have a big smile on my face and whatever, and she kept looking at this, you know, and I decided like, ugh, turn it off, turn it off. It's not that it was pointing at her. It's pointing at me. All right, here we go. She gave me cold sore medicine. And then I heard the word azine, you know, it has shitazine or you know, poopazine or whatever she said. All right, here we go. We need the mirror. Yep. Yep. Burns. Okay, so. Ouch. I know. Years from now, they'll talk about the crazy American with rabies who showed up foaming at the mouth. God, that really has not stopped burning. Okay, cut. The ferry's supposed to be here now less than an hour. I need them to open. So, these are so good and important now because I'm not getting in until midnight. So, this is my meal for the day. So, cheers. 10:45 at night and we're pulling into the port of Milos. Still don't know how to pronounce it. Milos? Milos. I'm back, Milos! Let's see what you got for me. Let's see what you got for me. I need something. So here's the story. I'm staying at a hotel called Lagata Beach, and I didn't arrange transport, so we just need a cab immediately. Eventually, when I learn the hotel, I bet it's in walking distance. I'm having a hard time finding a taxi. Like, that's a taxi, but there's nobody here. There's very few taxis. Anyway, I think like 2 ferries came in at once, and there's a run on taxis. So go straight out.
Straight out, you
Past that building. Go to the next building.
That's right, and
To 215. Good morning, Milos. Here's a story. You know, last night we came in the dark and I didn't get to see the place. I'm rested, I'm bathed, I'm clean, and we're going out here to see Milos. We have 2 days here. You know, last time I stayed at Milos, I gotta learn. I stayed at Polonia, a little fishing village. This is the first time I'm like at the port, which is what I wanted to do. It's always good when it comes back. So I'm gonna take this and charge it up, and then we're gonna find a place to eat breakfast. 2 days, we're gonna pack in a lot of fun. 2 days. Today's right around, tomorrow's about a boat. So anyway, success. We got a drone. Hello. Is that a 4?
Yeah.
I flew mine this morning.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I see. There you are. I won't talk to you too much. It drives me crazy when I'm flying and people talk to me, because I got to pay attention. Enjoy. I'm not going to show them. It's not my place. I'm not going to show them. It's not my place. But I was getting ready to say that. Sometimes that's what's wrong with me. I take over. Come on, let's go get a car. We're gonna get a car. Rent a car. Let's go. Yes. Go check out this car. Ready? Is that it? And then all around. I shall. I thank you so much. Okay, we have 1 day to see the island. Challenge accepted. Whoa. It is not on a real road. Makes me a little nervous. There's no way that anyone would bring a real car. We are struggling to get up the hill. You can't even go in first without rolling backwards. Seriously. Wow. I can't stop taking pictures. It's just everywhere. Look at this. to remember this. Okay, listen, I'm gonna get myself a note. Is it windy? You love this place. Okay? You love this place, and you're gonna forget again. But you love this place so much that the next time you come, you're just gonna do. The next time you come, you're gonna do one extended stay here because you love this place.